Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to turn on Fitbit Charge always on display. So to do this, the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to wake the device. So tap the screen or press the side button to wake your Fitbit Charge up. Then on step 2, you have to open the quick settings. So from the clock's face, swipe down to open the quick settings menu. Then on step 3, you have to enable always on display. So to do this, look for the always on display icon, which is a small clock symbol on the screen. Then tap on the icon to toggle it on, and it will light up when it's enabled. Then on step 4, you have to adjust the timeout settings, which is very optional. So if you want to customize how long the display stays always on, so go to the settings, which is the gear icon, then tap the display settings, then select always on display and choose a timeout duration. And that's how you can simply turn on Fitbit Charge always on display. Finally, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.